Well, guys, I was starting to get salty about packing everything in the garage. Because it's only sprinkled out today. But it started raining harder. Hi, Murmur. Hi, Bear. I could almost got away with a tarp and kept everything going, but I guess better safe than sorry. After tonight, no rain in the forecast, so I get to push it all back out, set her all up again. But yeah, that's why everything's up on boards because I haven't figured out how to seal that side of the tent up yet. So yeah, the compressor garage is covered in a tarp, and old Patches in the garage, staying high and dry. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.